Welcome to Forex. This video is the continuation of the previous video, the basics of Forex trading. If you haven't already watched the first video, go watch it now. Link given in the description. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Alright, today let's learn about buy limit and sell limit. We place these limits to execute a trade automatically from a certain point. Majorly, for retracements or pullbacks. Let's take XAUUSD, gold. Now, let's look at the chart. Gold, as I see, should reach a little higher point for today. So, what I can do is buy from a little more perfect point, that's from below, to book a little better profit, and according to me it might reach 1902 maximum for today. So we can set a TP till that point. Based on my analysis, I am therefore setting a buy limit at 1877. Click on the trade on the top right corner. Then, click on the market execution on the top. As we said, we want to buy. So click on the buy limit. Now, decide your lot size according to your account size or equity. I will take 0.20 for my account. According to my analysis, gold will have a pullback till maybe 1877. Then we'll spike till 1902, so let's set the price in 1878 or 1877 where my trade will be executed automatically. I can also decide my stop loss and take profit in advance. Stop loss, let's keep it around 1872. Take profit, let's keep in 1902. Same procedure follow for sell limit. When for long term you see a trade going downside, place a sell limit or a limit to go short. Select a point above the current running price for your trade to be triggered. Next up, let's talk about buy stop and sell stop. So, let's go backward a little bit. When and which points did we place the buy limit and sell limit? Look at the screen. If I have to place a sell limit, it has to be placed above the current price, and if I have to place a buy limit, it must be below the current running price. You can see my buy limit already, which is below the current price. This point is majorly gonna differ from buy stop and sell stop. If it's a buy stop, the current price has to be below the buy stop point, and if it's a sell stop, the current price has to be above the sell stop point. We use buy stop and sell stop mainly for two reasons. It will be placed either to place more trades, or to hedge the account. Now, what's hedging? Hedging is a strategy used to protect one's position in a currency pair from an adverse move. For example, to keep the position or equity intact, we place two opposite trades in gold, that's hedging. It will not save your account 100%, but it will buy you time to place different trade to recover the certain amount of loss you have already incurred. Hedging will need experience and knowledge, so we will talk about that in next video. For now, let's go back to the basics. Let's learn how to place buy stop and sell stop. Same procedure. Click on the trade, top right corner, choose whether you want to place sell stop or buy stop. Let's go with buy stop first. Now decide your lot size accordingly. I am choosing the same, 0.20. Now, enter which price point you want the buy stop to be triggered. As you can see on my screen, the current running price is somewhere at 1884. My analysis says it will hit at least 1902 at least. So what I am going to do is, I will place a buy stop for another trade for long somewhere in 1890, then click on place and done. Once it reaches 1890, a long trade will automatically be placed. For TP and SL in your stops, follow the same procedure. Same steps you will follow for a sell stop. So, that's about it for today. Drop your comments and like, share and subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more such videos. Until then, trade well and keep watching Forex.